Welcome to our Chennai 98 YouTube channel video on Lastpass Security, the ultimate solution for protecting your online identity. In this video, we will discuss how Lastpass Security can help you safeguard your online accounts from cyber threats and identity theft. What is Lastpass Security? Lastpass Security is a password manager that helps you create and store unique passwords for all your online accounts. It uses military-grade encryption to protect your passwords and personal information from hackers and cyber criminals. With Lastpass Security, you no longer need to remember complex passwords or write them down on paper. You can securely access your passwords from anywhere, on any device. How does Lastpass Security work? Lastpass Security works by generating strong, unique passwords for each of your online accounts. It stores these passwords in an encrypted vault that only you can access. You can access your passwords on any device by logging into your Lastpass account. With Lastpass Security, you only need to remember one master password to access all your other passwords. Why use Lastpass Security? Using Lastpass Security can help you protect your online accounts from cyber threats and identity theft. With the increasing number of data breaches and cyber attacks, it is essential to have a secure password manager to protect your personal information. Lastpass Security offers several benefits, including 1. Creating strong, unique passwords. Lastpass Security generates strong passwords for all your online accounts, making it difficult for hackers to crack them. 2. Securely storing your passwords. Lastpass Security uses military-grade encryption to protect your passwords and personal information from cyber criminals. 3. Easy access to your passwords. With Lastpass Security, you can access your passwords from anywhere, on any device. 4. Saving time. Lastpass Security saves you time by automatically filling in login information for your online accounts. Conclusion. In conclusion, Lastpass Security is an essential tool for protecting your online identity. With its unique features and benefits, Lastpass Security can help you safeguard your personal information from cyber threats and identity theft. So, don't wait any longer, start using Lastpass Security today and protect your online accounts. Additional benefits of Lastpass Security. 1. Two-factor authentication. Lastpass Security offers two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. 1. This means that even if a hacker manages to obtain your password, they still won't be able to access your account without the second authentication factor. 2. Password sharing. Lastpass Security allows you to securely share passwords with trusted family members or colleagues. 2. You can set permissions and revoke access at any time. 3. Auto-change passwords. Lastpass Security offers an auto-change password feature that automatically updates your passwords for certain accounts that are known to be at higher risk for cyber attacks. 4. Emergency access. Lastpass Security offers an emergency access feature that allows you to give access to your passwords to a trusted family member or friend in case of an emergency. How to get started with Lastpass Security? Getting started with Lastpass Security is easy. Simply visit the Lastpass website and create a free account. Once you have created your account, you can download the Lastpass browser extension or mobile app to start using the password manager. Lastpass Security is available for Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, and Android devices. Conclusion. Lastpass Security is an essential tool for protecting your online identity and personal information from cyber threats and identity theft. With its unique features and benefits, Lastpass Security is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a secure and easy-to-use password manager. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for Lastpass Security today and start protecting your online accounts. We hope that you found this video on Lastpass Security informative and helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you want to stay up to date with the latest tech news, product reviews, and tutorials, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, Chennai 98. By subscribing, you will be notified of new videos as soon as they are released. Your support means a lot to us, and we appreciate it greatly. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.